Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Hello Abdul Halim and Muhammad.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الحليم نضال. أنا محمد نضال.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Abdul Halim and Muhammad. Open your books, page 54. Open your books, page 54. Arba'u Khamseen, page 54.
السلام عليكم أستاذ رهاب.
Alaikum assalam, Ihab.
عليكم يا أستاذ مشعل خالد.
Hello, Michelle Khalid. Open your book, page 54.
السلام عليكم مستر.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
أستاذ أنا أحمد كمال.
Hello, Ahmed. So on page 54, we have questions about forces. Okay. As you know, pushes and pulls are forces.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alaikum assalam.
أنا أستاذ.
Hello, Badr Somali. Okay, here you have question number
السلام
1.
عليكم أستاذ ضياء.
Alaikum assalam, Noor.
I love you.
Page
حي
number
الأمير
54. Arba'u Khamseen.
الأمير
Page
بالصحة الأمير
54.
سكر باب الحمام.
Okay, on this page we have question number 1. Can you swing, yani harrik, can you swing your arms faster? Yani can you, it's mean like forward and back, forward and back, forward and back,
Yes.
and back.
لا
Fast,
صحيح شو
can you?
تعال
أحلى.
اقعد جنبي.
Okay, so
ماشي أنا أحلى.
the answer is yes or no? Can you move your,
Yes.
yes.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Question number 2. Can
Ah.
you swing your arms slow yani come here, slow like
Yes.
or
بطيء.
بطيء.
yes. So yes or no?
يس
Yes.
بس
Yes. Question number 2.
بالضبط حبيبي.
Yes. Next.
طيب
Predict what happens. Predict yani مثلا انت كلام مثلا بكره في مطر ممكن.
ما في
So this is prediction.
توقع
توقع يعني. Yes. Thank you, Abu Noor.
توقع.
صحيح بابا.
So what happens to the speed yani sur'a, you walk yani imshi, when your arms slow down? When your arms slow down, you are walking slowly, then your arms will slow down. Okay.
Slowly.
Yes, when you walk slowly. Thank you. What force make your arms move forward? Yani giddam. What is that?
Push.
Giddam yani giddam. Aywa, push. Very good. And what force make your arms move backwards? Wara.
Pull.
Pull. Yes, Salam. Thank you.
pull.
Okay. Next page, which is page number 55. Badr As-Somali, open your mic. Badr As-Somali, open your mic. Iyas, open your mic.
أيوة أستاذ.
أيوة. A, هذا السورة. Pull ولا push? Again. Pull. Ya salam. Thank you, Iyas. Okay. Abdul Halim, open your mic.
نعم.
Aywa. B, this picture. Push or pull?
بوش.
Push. Ya salam. Okay, Muhammad. This one.
نعم.
Aywa. This. Push or pull? شوف.
pull.
Pull. Ya salam. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay. Jamil.
Yes.
Yes. What is this picture? What is this picture about? Push or pull?
Wash.
Thank you, Jamil. Okay. So you got the idea, push and pull about these pictures. Next. Okay. On this page, you have force can stop things moving. يعني واحد شيء هو حرك لو انت when you put some force يعني قوة that thing will stop يعني وقف. لو انت يبغى وقف سيارة انت push the brake, you push the brake, صح? So that is a force. So force can stop the things which are moving يعني هو حرك. Okay. This is on this page. Some cars move much slower than others because you do not push the accelerator. يعني انت ما في ارفع speed سرعة يعني. Some cars move much faster than others because some drivers push the accelerators and then they can move faster. Faster يعني سرعة, slower يعني تمهل شوية. Got it? Anywhere, on any point you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Then on page number 57, you have a toy. Is it a toy to pull or push? This toy. This toy.
Pull.
Yes, salam. Thank you, Noor and Ihab. This toy is to pull, then it will move. Okay. So how did make the toy car move faster? How did you do it? If you want to move a toy car faster,
ما تقيم ذاك
أيوة,
قائمة. Push or push. Speed.
push it harder. Thank you, Ihab.
Push. Pull.
Push it harder.
Or
Push or pull. Okay, thank you.
push.
Yes. Okay. How did you stop the car, the toy car moving? How can you stop it?
By pushing.
By
Push brake.
okay.
Push break.
Aywa,
Push
push the
brake.
brake. Yes, great, ya Noor. Thank you. Okay. Then we have Yazid. Open your mic, Yazid.
قيمة هذا يا بني آدم
Yes,
قيمة.
Yazid. Yazid Muhammad. Are you there? Yes, Yazid. In this
Yes,
picture,
yes.
is it pull or push? This boy is throwing something. Yazid.
Push.
Push. Thank you, Yazid. Okay. Tamim As-Subeti, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, this boy is picking up the book. Is this push or pull?
Pull.
Pull. أنت شيل أي شيء هذا pull. Thank you, Tamim. But Tamim Al-Baloyi. Okay, then Muhammad Kamal. Ahmed Kamal.
Yes.
Aywa, this in this picture, the girl is opening the door towards her. Yani simt her.
Push.
لا
Towards
هنا
her. Towards her.
بالظبط.
Yani वही करी.
ها دي بوش ولا بول؟
شوف يا احمد اسمع، هذا دور صح، هذا باب. انت موجود هنا صح برا. انت افتح باب، انت افتح باب. This is the like this towards you. يعني افتح كده. هذا بول ولا بوش؟
بول.
Pull.
بول. ايوه يا مشعل يا احمد sorry. If the door goes away from you, that is push. Okay. On in here you have what force you use when you turn the key. This key yani mifta, what force you will use, push or pull? Push. Okay, thank you. Thank you boys. Okay, next. Okay, on this page 61 واحد وستين. When I blow hard, the windmill moves faster. Yani sur'a. This is made by Jamil. Jamil sent this to me. When I blow softly, yes, thank you, Jamil. When I blow softly, the windmill moves. Yes, slowly. Thank you, Noor and Eha. Very good. كلكم لازم جواب. أيوة Michelle, thank you. Okay, the windmill dash round and round. ايش هنا؟ Move. أيوة. Sorry. Okay. Move. Yes, thank you.
Move.
Okay, then last one. But it does not move to another
Place.
place. Yes. أيوة. Yes, very good. Thank you. Okay, يعني مكتوب ايش؟ يعني هذا حرك فوق هنا هنا أو هنا like this, or the other way like this, but it will not move towards here. It will move like this or this, round and round, but not to other place. Yani makam tani. Okay, this was written in this paragraph. Okay, next page, which is page number 64. Arba'u Sittin. 64. Here you have some pictures to follow. You will match them or make the line. Walking, yani imshi. This boy is walking, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then this boy is hoping. Then number 3, spinning. Spin. And last one, swing. Sir? Okay?
Gang.
Swinging. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So here you have in this portion, you have making things go faster and faster and slower, sorry. Faster and slower. يعني لو سرعة وشوية. تمهل. I can dash or dash the toy.
Push.
Or pull. Push or pull.
أحمد
and push.
هذا كلكم رد يا حبيبي.
And pull.
Yes, thank you. Okay, this
Hi.
picture push and or pull. Okay, and this picture I can dash the toy double. Pull. Ya salam, Michelle. Thank you, Eha, Michelle, Noor, everybody. Anwar, open your mic. You should answer. What is in this picture? I can dash the toy car.
Went up.
Went
Went up.
up. Yes, salam. Ya Michelle. Excellent. Thank you,
ودي
Noor.
up.
Thank you, Anwar.
We take up.
Okay, Anwar, you should answer. Okay. The last one. I can dash.
Blow up.
Blow up. Aywa. Blow up.
blow up.
Grow up.
Blow
Blow
up.
up.
Grow
أيوة.
up.
Okay, thank you.
أستاذ أنا أقول ولا أحمد أقول.
Okay, Ahmed, very good. Okay. Here you have page 65. On this page, correct the correct word. Okay. More push makes the things move. يعني لو انت تدف بالقوة. Faster or slower?
harder
Fast.
faster
Faster. يعني سرعة. لو انت تدف بالقوة هو حرك سرعة.
faster
Yes.
faster
Yes, faster. Looking at the things moving, هذا حركات حرك ها. How they are moving, wind or water? Yes, number one, this picture.
wind wind
Wind. Okay, this
wind
number two.
water
Water.
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 Water. Very good. The last one.
water wind
Wind. Okay, thank you.
water
Aywa, wind. So we have two sides.
water
Okay, this moves by wind. This is water, water and wind. Yani hawa. Okay, thank you. You participated well. Now, why we are revising? Because we have exams next week, inshallah. So you will, yani اختبار فترة أولى. Second term, first periodic. So you should be prepared for the exam. Yes, Tamim Al-Baloyi, open your mic. Tamim Al-Baloyi, or open your mic. Yes. What is in this picture? Push or pull? Pull? Push, Aywa.
Pull push.
Okay. Ahmad Kamal, open your mic. What is in this picture?
yes yes
Yes. What is in this picture? This boy is pull or push?
bull
Pull. Thank you. Yazid, open your mic. This picture. Number 3. Yeah.
Ball.
ball
Pull. Thank you. Amir Abdulaziz. Amir, open your mic. Amir Abdulaziz. What is in this picture? Push or pull?
bush
Push. Thank you. Noor, open your mic. What is in this picture?
pull
لا هي.
In this picture. هذا ضف ولا
bush
push؟ أيوة لازم شوف. Anwar, open your mic. What is in this picture?
أنا بحطها هي.
Anwar.
شو عم تعمل؟ شو لابد؟
Yes.
Pull.
Anwar. Pull. Thank you, Anwar. Okay. Then we have Michelle Khalid. Open your mic.
yes
Yes. What is in this picture, Michelle? Push or pull?
pull
Pull. Okay. Thank you. Jameel, open your mic. Ehab, wait. Jameel, are you there?
yeah
Yes. This one.
yeah bush
Push. Thank you, Jameel. Okay. Muhammad and Abdul Halim Nidal. Yes. This picture.
هاي عم يدفع هاي بوش ولا بول؟
bush
Push. Okay, Muhammad. This one.
نعم
هاي عم تدفع السيارة بوش ولا بول؟
bush
Push. Thank you, both of you. Okay, then we have Tamim As-Subeti.
yes
Yes. What is in this picture? This one.
ball
Pull. Thank you.
Thank-
Okay. Who didn't answer?
me
Yes, Tamim Al-Biloyi. Okay. This one. I called you, but you didn't answer. This picture.
هذا bush ولا pull؟
This one. This one. Again. Tamim, again,
push or-
please. Push or pull?
push
Okay. Thank you, Tamim. So you got the idea on this page. We are going to move next page, which is this. Okay. Iyas.
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة, this one, first one.
بوش ولا بول؟
بوش.
Push, thank you, Yas. Yazid, open your mic. This one.
يلا هذه
بوش.
Push, thank you. Anwar, open your mic. This one.
هاي بوش ولا بول؟
بوش.
Push, okay. Thank you. Badr Somali. Badr Somali, did you answer? Ehab Azhari, this one.
نعم.
Aywa, this one. Okay. Cool, thank you. Aywa Badr Somali, this picture.
Yes.
This one.
بوش.
Again, please.
بوش.
Cool, thank you. Yes, Noor.
No.
Noor, this one.
Yes.
The boy with the dog and the car.
بوش.
Push, ya salam, ya Noor. Thank you, Noor. Okay. في سوال 5 ريال. 5 ريال is the price. Okay. اسمها مزبوط كلكم. Anybody can answer. What is the force you find between this foot and the earth? Between foot and the earth.
بوش.
يعني بالجوا حق الجزمة وتحت أرض. هذا في الجوا ايش موجود؟ ايش فورس موجود هنا؟
جرافيتي. جرافيتي. بوش.
جرافيتي
جرافيتي.
جرافيتي
جرافيتي.
No.
جرافيتي.
No.
بوش.
Sorry.
شراب.
Ehab, what did you say?
شراب يا أستاذ. شراب.
I need in
Jamil.
English because I don't know in Arabic. You should say in English. I don't know.
Shoes.
No.
Socks.
No. You can answer one. Noor, what is the answer?
شو السؤال أستاذ؟
يعني في الجزمة وتحت أرض جوا ايش موجود؟ ايش what is the force between the shoes and the earth؟ هنا جوا ايه واحد موجود.
درانك
ايش؟
بوش.
No, no, no.
بوش.
I will ask one. اسمع انت فكر انا سؤال واحد okay. Amir Abdul Aziz, what is your answer? Quickly.
Sock. Socks.
No. Anwar, no. Okay, Amir, you can't hear me. Yes, what is your answer?
Friction.
Yes, Anwar is right. Friction is the right answer. For Anwar, 5 real. You can, when you will come to school, I will give you. Okay? Inshallah. Soon. Okay? I will give to Mr.
Yes.
Friction is the right answer. Friction. Friction. This is the third friction. This is the third force, but we didn't talk about it mostly, but Anwar is right. Friction is the right answer. Friction huwa waqif sayyara, huwa waqif, it can help you to stop things mostly. Okay? So Anwar won the game, won the prize. Okay, so this is it for today. You have any questions? You didn't understand?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
See you later. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye. On Thursday, I will send you quiz. Okay, on Thursday. Okay, Google Drive quiz. Okay, everybody. Inshallah. On Thursday, no Zoom. We will have a quiz on Thursday.
Okay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Noor, Yazid, Anwar.
Talking يا أستاذ أنا أمير
Yes.
وأنا زياد.
Goodbye, Habib.